Hi everyone, I want to give a quick demo of this resume builder CV generator that I've created and is now also open source, so the code is available and you can run it yourself. And I use it because I want to create resumes, but I hate editing in Word and I want to create tailored resumes. So every time editing in Word, it became really a hassle. So I've create something in Python that just generates these things in seconds. It's really great. Let me show you. So when you use this application of mine, first you need to put in some information. Of course, you need a name. Maybe you have a link to a picture of you. Contact details. It automatically can translate the resume for you in different languages. For example, I have a Dutch version and an English version. And with this, it's just a breeze translating. But I do need an API key, the DeepL API key, which is free to get, and the link is here. So you can put the link in here and the key in here, and then it all works like this. So here, for example, let me take the English version over here. Let me say that I've, well, not 80 years of experience in data engineering, but maybe 8. This is my headline where I tell quickly something about myself. So let me add a little bit more content here, but not too much. Update the headline. Automatically, you can see it created the Dutch version over here. So I can edit in here. Maybe I want to add some text in here. Maybe I don't like the translation entirely. So I can change it and then boop, start. So now I have this introduction in 2 languages in no time. So let's go to the top projects. So these are the top projects that you're most proud of and you want to have at the top. So you immediately want to show, this is what I'm proud of. This is what I've created. For example, let's say the Spectre one, the 99 program. Let me make this the English version. And maybe remove this part and let me store it like this, and here we go, and there's the Dutch version, or if you want the German version, or if you want the French version. Probably it's really easy for me to add the other languages as well. That's no problem. It's all open source. You can change it as much as you want. So let's go to work experience. So this is more like a more boring list of places here where you worked. We gotta have that, but we're a little bit shorter on that part. We can add educations, universities where you got your master's or your bachelor or anything, certification. Here you can also put in your link to your verification page. So that's really nice. So you can put in your link to Credly, and so they can click in the PDF on that link and see, oh yes, it's actually true. He does have the Arcane Data Engineering Professional certificate from Microsoft. So here we have the skills. Let's say that I can put in all kinds of skills in different categories, and it will nicely make that list of that at the end of the thing. Let's say that I got so well at Python that I want to say that my skills are 5 out of 5. So update changes. There we go. So it's in the list in here. We'll see it later on. Okay, additional activities. Sometimes you want to put in here non-work related things like me writing for Tour for Life. Publications, maybe you wrote a book or wrote a scientific article in a journal. Speaking engagements, yeah, I do that sometimes. So I put my presentation for PyCon Ireland in here, and then I can just do generate. And so let's say I have a company that I want to work for. They have an application. They probably want it in English. I can decide to make this into a GDPR compliant resume, which leaves out photos, phone and mail address and that kind of stuff, and birth dates. This slider is just to help you to see a lot of projects that you were proud of, or maybe just want to see the last 6 years or something. And then here is the fun part. So let's see. Well, the Spectre one was rather spectacular, so I want to put that at the top. The Skynet one actually was not so great and kind of less relevant for this particular application. Let's say that I want to have the Evil Corp in here. So now I have this order, and it will order that in the PDF as well. Now I can also do 50 years of work experience or just 10. I think 10 will be sufficient, and I can click the resume, generate the resume thing, and then I can download the PDF, and there we go. And here's the result. As you can see at the top, the file name automatically has my name and the company that I want to apply for. There's the details in here, which can be shorter if GDPR compliant. There's a headline here with my story. This is all in English. There's a pagination over here. Here you have my top projects, and like I said, the Spectre project goes on top, and then the Evil Corp, and then the innovative online industries. So that's very nice. And here's my work experience, the certificates, the education, additional activities, speaking engagements, and publications. And if you say, but I don't do speaking engagements and I don't have any publications, leave it out, and it will just detect there's no data there, and it will not show the header as well, because otherwise that would be kind of sad. And here are the skills where you can see that I'm very good at Agile and Python and pretty good at Azure. So this is all in there in my GitHub repository. You can use the Python code. You can change things. Let me know if it helps you. This for me is a game changer. It really helps me very quickly to respond to all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I hope you too. Let me know.